Alrighty, what's up peeps? It is 6:08 in the morning. I'm trying to film this before the baby wakes up because yesterday I tried to film a video during his nap and he was like, guess what mom, I'm not gonna go take a nap, so you can't film. So I've resolved to doing this. This is what I got in the mail yesterday. My new Hobonichi Weeks Mega, which I didn't realize I was buying the Mega. I made this cover for it out of lamination pouches, and it's a prototype, and so I think, let's see if I can take this off because it might be easier to show you stuff without this I'll rip it guy on. But I'm going to do a video on this. This is a prototype, but I'm going to do a video showing you how I made this and how you can make your own, etc. So this is the Hobonichi Weeks. I think I'm going to do a separate video on what I was just about to say. I'm going to do a video on like things I didn't know when I bought this Hobonichi, because from seeing it in the videos and everything, I guess I was unaware of a lot of different things about Hobonichis. But we got our Hobonichi. It is for 2020, obviously. So, baby made a noise. So let me take this monitor off over here. Let's see. It starts back in December. So I think that I'm actually going to just plan this week, which I think started on, what, the 6th? Yeah, because it's Friday the 10th. So I'm just going to plan this here. And if this works, I may have this as the Patreon printable of the month for January. And then I will also have it in like happy planner form and stuff, because I know that not everybody uses the Hobonichi. It's kind of, I wouldn't say it's kind of a new thing, but it's kind of gaining popularity. So we got this. I did measurements and everything on the, this is going to be, my whole point is this is going to be a sticker template in the shop. And what I was hoping to do is, let me find this thing, is I was hoping to, what am I doing? Make something where you can trim it down. So let's trim it down here. Like when you make your own. Whoa, come on, keep it even. And I did do print and cut with the bleed on, just so you guys see that. What I was hoping to do was have you to be able to trim it really closely, actually, or even try to fold it. I'm just going to try to trim it for right now so that you can have them, you know, if you have a folder or you have something, you can have them. It fits perfectly in your Hobonichi Weeks. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I pulled that off. You don't know how many times I like struggled with the design and the layout and how it should be. I hope I don't chop anything. But you could also fold it and maybe trim this side a little bit. But then you can stick it in your thing. Oh my god, I can't believe I pulled that off. I had originally decided or designed it to be like the whole thing to be the actual print and cut vertical. I keep moving the camera. Vertical style. But then I was like, no, it's going to look better if it's this way. So I made it horizontal. Okay, so let's break this bad boy out to this week. I'm gonna try, so you're gonna get on the sticker template, you can either do the long ones, and I think I've made enough that you could probably use this for 2 weeks because there's so many elements on here. So you could have 1 week where you use the individual sticker guys, and then another week where you use the long one. Or you could use this in your micro happy notes. I am going to try and do a plan with me using these in the micro happy notes as well. So let's try this long one. This is the first one that I print and cut. So I'm hoping, I did all the measurements. I'm hoping it's right. I'm not quite sure if it's going to be too short or too long, or if I need to adjust something by like a millimeter. Hot damn, that fits perfectly. When I design these, hot tip, if you are designing these, I would do them, and I'm probably going to rotate this so it says Monday flipping that way. I would measure things in millimeters, not inches, because it's going to be way easier to do that. So you have the side date thingies here. We've got some bottom washi. It's been a long time since I've said bottom washi. Make sure I'm in frame. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. It's been a very long time since I've said bottom washi. And I don't know, it should fit the full width of this, because that's what I measured it to be. But you never know. It's a little bit short, so I will have to maybe adjust that. Just a little bit short. I should have started on that side. Okay, so what else are we going to use? I personally like this is the size of this guy here, but I like the double box kind of style. So I think I'm going to use, and I give you 3 double boxes, and then 3 smaller boxes, so then you can alternate, etc. I'm trying to make this to be something for everyone type of dealio. And then, oh, that fits perfectly too. Look at that sheet. And then you can, you know, do whatever you need to do. Is this upside down? I think I will use this one, maybe. I don't know. This is also the first time I'm planning in a Hobonichi Weeks. So I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm just kind of making this up as I go, because I have not even thought about how I would use this. And you guys made me do this. Oh, this is supposed to be top washi. Let's do this. Yeah, you all made me do it. I don't even think I would use top washi. Should I put, I'm going to put it down because I have it in here. But yeah, I blame you guys. You guys are the reason that I bought this, because I have gotten so many messages about making Hobonichi Weeks templates, and I'm like, boy, I don't know if I can do that. I don't want to buy one, because these planners are expensive, son. Like, who decided that? So I think what it is this is not as wide as this, because these are the same size and it fits perfectly on this side. We'll see. We shall see. So Hobonichi, I have this long. I also included some things that were like 1.5 inches wide. I'm pretty sure this is also, no, it's just slightly smaller. So this is a 1.5 inch wide long thing. These are some headers that are 1.5 inches wide. This is 1.5 inches wide. These two are 1.5 inches wide. Let's put some habit trackers down, because why the heck not? I can't wait to get this in the shop. Yeah, I think this is gonna, yeah, it comes up just a little bit short, because this side maybe isn't the exact size as that side. I think I may leave it, it's not too short. I think I may leave it like that, because I don't want to throw off the design of the page. I'm not sure. So we got our habit trackers down there. You also get another, where is it? Yeah, okay, so you get another dividing line, so you could put that here or something like that, and then another one like this, so if you wanted to mark something off like that. Like, I know a lot of people put these boxes all down here, and then you could maybe use this line as a separator. The baby's making noises. He should go back to sleep. It's not time to wake up yet. Let's see, I'm gonna put down some of these checklists. He's just giggling up there. Such a sweet little baby. Am I still in frame? I may have to pause this and go get him, but I think he's just making noises. I don't quite like how like evenly spaced that is, but I don't know if I want to put all of these guys down. I think he gave you 8 checklists too. So we'll do it like that. I'm going to take, oh, I know something I needed to do. Oh, I wasn't really finished with this. I forgot. This needed to be a different color because these two are the same. And then I just duplicated that to see how it would work. So I remember last night, I was doing this before bed. So do we want to line all of these up? Ooh, they're a little bit too long because they fit here. Ah, okay. Okay, well, yeah, the measurements are, so I guess, I don't know, I kind of want to leave them this size. What is he doing? I kind of want to leave them this size. So that they fit in there. I didn't place that very well. Let's see how my sticker paper does pulling off of this. It does okay. It does okay. I will leave the link to the sticker paper that I use. I'll leave it down in the description so that you know that this kind of will pull off of a Hobo Weeks paper. Is my head in the frame? So like this is this one. I don't even know if that's helpful for anybody. These size stickers might be. I don't know. I want to use this one. Cool, sick, tight. So let's put this one down just because. And then you could go in with your own little type of headers and make a header and place it down. This could say to do or to buy or something, I don't know. Then what else? Oh, then we have these that you could do like in there. You could do right here. Because what I was thinking, yeah, let's put this. Let's put this. So this is that divider one that I had. Let's put this right here. Ooh! I made this almost exactly the size on accident of one of the grid lines. So we could do that. We could take our these. I don't want to use this brown one. We could take our these and go like this. I'll use a brown one. And then that could be something, I don't know. And then, I don't know, you could put this here for whatever you want. I don't know. Let us take this one and put it here, or put it right here, put it here, put it here. I don't know. I'm just trying to give examples here. Then maybe I'll fill this guy in. I don't know. So yeah, then you would have all of this stuff that you could use next week because you will have date covers or whatnot, but it's a big old sticker template. So I don't know. How do you guys feel about that? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do I feel? I'm not sure. Should I use the Hobonichi Weeks? I don't know. So that's just a simple layout that I would do. And then maybe I'll put a set of numbers. Should I take an element out? Put a set of numbers? No, I don't think I should. Maybe I'll put a set of numbers on the blog. That's going to be a lot to print and cut. But yeah, so you can chop it. And then like if you have an envelope or you have a holder, what am I trying to say? Like a cover, then you can like slide them in. Hell, I haven't even put this little, for as many stickers as I put on the page, I haven't even put this little guy in. So maybe I'm not going to put him in right now. But you could like slide these guys in there. Let's see if I can get this in. It'd be easier if it was stuck down, you know. Okay, so for the sake of it, you could slide that in. I don't think it's not going to work. No, they're going to get caught, but good idea, Mo. But yeah, you could slide these in your cover, and then you have them, like, it fits perfectly. God, who would have thought, son? Who would have thought? I love when I figure stuff out like this. I get super proud. So, here's your Hobonichi Weeks template. It'll be in the shop. When this video is live, it'll be in the shop. I am going to make this the Patreon printable of the month. You can also find it in a Happy Planner style as well. I am going to try to make maybe horizontal Happy Planner stickers. I'm not sure. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and head over to Patreon for $3 a month. You can join the Printable of the Month Club. It's an ever-growing library of printables. So if you join this month, you'll get this month's, but then you'll also have access to all the previous months. So you won't have to, you know, it's not like you have to pay $3 for every printable. You pay $3 every month. If you join today, you have 2 years past of printables that I have been offering. So, and they aren't too like year or season or whatever specific. Some of them are like Christmas, some of them are spring, etc. But you could use it next year. You could use it whenever, you know, whatever you want. So tons of printables over there. I have a bunch of new stuff in the shop. I'm going to have a bunch of tutorials on things to make for this, and then yeah, on my YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you did. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.